Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to go through Adobe Spark again, and this is fast becoming one of my favorite platforms, along with Canva, of course. So let's get started. Today I am going to show you how you can create a t-shirt design in Adobe Spark as a tutorial. Hopefully it won't take too long, but if you haven't, sign up to spark.adobe.com. That's spark.adobe.com. Sign up for your free account, and what we'll do is we'll go to custom. We'll do a custom design. So custom size graphic over here. It'll bring you to this page. Now we'll do something for the Amazon Merch by Amazon t-shirt template. So I believe the width was 4500 pixels by 5400 height. Again, pixels. Click next. And we were doing the legal niche. Now before you do that, make sure you remove the watermark. So remove once. It'll bring up the sales page. I don't need anything there for now. X that. And the most common t-shirt design has typically black background on it. So let's go with the black background. What we'll do is we'll add text, okay, and just add your own text, that's fine. So I'm gonna go legal eagle, and we want the color as, and we're gonna get to that very soon. Now I do not want a background, so click on shape and scroll up, no shape, and on the color we want it to be plain white for now. Alright, so you can do that. Now I know this is very basic, but I'm doing this to show you a particular feature that I came across. I'm trying to center this now. This is what I want to show you. You can add a secondary font. So if you put this here and then you put this, bring this down here. Oops, how do I do that? Okay, there we go. So this is the secondary font. Now you can choose different fonts, right? And you don't need to do that, but you can go back to the main font and choose a different one. It doesn't really matter which one we choose for this example. I just wanted to demonstrate how awesome this tool is. Now you can choose two different fonts, two different colors, and you can make it capitalize and fit, center a line. You can adjust the size, so you can actually make it larger if you feel like. So there we go, let's say 1000. Oh, maybe that's the maximum. That's okay. But this is the magic over here, style. Click on style and you'll see suggestions. You can actually shuffle the secondary and the primary text styles, which is the color and the font. And you can click on this wheel where it just goes through different styles. So this is absolutely awesome. So you don't need to sort of go through every single font, every single color one by one. You can of course do that if you want to, but this feature, the style feature by Adobe, presumably, and don't quote me on this because I'm not an expert, but presumably they've gone through some kind of pairing where they've decided these are the pairs, these are the font styles that go well together. So, play around with it, see what you enjoy, see what looks good, and then as usual, once you've got something, download, and you're good to go. I really enjoy this function because you can play the color and the font. So there we go. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, if you want to include any graphics in the background, I've got a link to my favorite platform at the moment, Creator Fabrica. It is an affiliate link. I get a small commission, but it does not cost you a single penny more, and it goes towards supporting the channel. So until next time, I hope you have a great day.